I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. All sorts of red flags here. And having only one policy with the insurance company. This is unbelievable because I should have been notified of this in the beginning. That is right. Like, they know what they're doing. They're a multi-billion-dollar corporation. They have the tools necessary to discover this information before they write a policy that then they go back and cancel. But now, guess what? You switched insurance companies to somebody else. What if you try to go back to the insurance company you're with? They might not take you back. Or their rates might be a lot higher now. You just never know. They would not increase my deductible to $5,000. More red flags. You're saying the deductible is too low, but you wouldn't increase it. The other thing too that you have to be aware of, as a homeowner, if this was a homeowner's policy, what does your mortgage company require? Because if the mortgage company says you can't have more than $1,000 deductible, and the insurance company is trying to force place insurance on you that says it's a $5,000 deductible or a $2,500 deductible, so be very careful with that, okay? This is unfair and will cause great impact on me. It will cause a drop in my insurance score and my credit score to go down because I will have to run a new credit report to obtain a new insurance policy. So be aware. I mean, so many things that I can say. The number one thing I want to tell you today is the cheapest policy is rarely the best policy. And you shouldn't buy insurance just based on the price. You should buy insurance based on the coverage that you need and the company that can offer that. Trust me when I say cheap insurance is never cheap when a claim has to be made. These insurance companies that are offering you like below everybody else's rates to get your business, they have to pay for this somewhere, right? So if the rates are cheaper on the front end, their service is usually even worse on the back end. And they're paying less in claims because you're paying so few dollars to get your property covered. They have to make it up somewhere. And so I'll tell you a real quick story about my high school economics teacher. Great guy. He said TANSTAAFL. He goes, does anybody know what TANSTAAFL is? It's an acronym. TANSTAAFL, I believe. There ain't no such thing as a free lunch. So if you're getting it cheaper on the front end, it's coming from somewhere. So be aware, the cheapest policy is not always the best. If you need help, when you have an insurance claim on your residence, your industrial property, your commercial property, whatever it might be, from hail and wind, lightning, fire, tornado, whatever it might be, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.